I made this moving video carousel entirely in Canva, and in this video I am going to show you how you can do it. Hey, welcome back. I am Krishna, Canva Ambassador, Canva Creator and Corporate Trainer who helps marketing teams and individuals to get most out of Canva. I recently went to Bangalore for Canva training, and instead of just posting random photos, I turned the whole trip into moving carousel right inside Canva. If you have ever seen a moving video carousel on Instagram and thought, how did they make this? Then this video is your answer. They stop people from scrolling, they get more views, and the vibe is so aesthetic it's perfectly fits on any Instagram feed. Once you know the steps, you can turn any trip, any event, or any story into one of these. Okay, let's start. Open Canva, click create design and go to custom size. We are making a 7 slide carousel, so set the width to 7560 pixel, to the height to 1350 pixel. Then click create new design. Now we need to divide this canvas into 7 equal sections. Go to file, then setting, then add guides, set columns to 7 and gap to 0. Hit add guide. You can see the purple line dividing the canvas into 7 slides. Perfect. Now here is the key to making this look seamless. I don't just fill each slide separately. I add half of the content on slide 1 and let the other half spill into slide 2. Same thing between every slide. That small overlap is what makes it look connected and smooth when people swipe through. Nothing fancy, it just works. Oh, and before we move on, you know how designing for Instagram can take forever. I have a beginner to advanced Canva mastery course that helps with exactly that. Works with Canva free and honestly saves so much time. The link in the description. Okay, moving on the carousel. Now let's add our photos and videos. I recently visited Bangalore for Canva training, so I am making a travel diary video carousel. We are going to do this in two parts. First, the background photos and videos, then the story details on the top. Go to uploads and bring in your photos and videos. Just drag each one onto a slide and adjust it. Take your time, make sure it looks nice. You can double click to crop and zoom, and remember to keep doing that overlap between each slide to keep it seamless. For color correction, just click the image or video, go to edit and hit auto adjust. Canva will automatically adjust the brightness, contrast and highlights. One click and it looks so much better. I am adding my videos in sequence from the start of the journey to the end. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just tell your story in order. I have a landscape video of sitting on the hotel balcony and I'm placing it on the bottom of the slide. The adding two photos on the top. For the vertical video, Canva lets me crop it just like an image. For some of my photos, like the ones from the hotel room where I was preparing for the night before training, I am removing the background and increasing my size so I pop out beyond the frame. It gives really nice realistic effect, right? Now for the second part, adding the little details that makes the story comes alive. When I travel, I always take photos of food, signs, paintings, bikes, interesting things I see. Those small details makes a carousel feel real and relatable. I have all those photos ready. Now here is what I do. I auto color correct first, then remove the background, then add an outline so it pops out from the background image. Choose your outline color based on what is behind it so it stand out clearly. Time saving tip. Here is a big time saver. Do all the steps for one image first, then right click, copy style and apply it all other images in one click. You don't need to do it one from scratch. Once all images are done, organize everything so it looks clean and balanced. You can also add decorative elements like cute doodles from the elements panel. If you are on the free plan, filter by price and click free. Just make sure all the elements are in the same style. It keeps everything looks consistent. If outline feels look thick, go to edit, then shadow, then outline and reduce the thickness. Small adjustment, big difference. Now let's add some fun to the story. Don't just describe what is in the photo. Add funny lines and inside jokes or something witty, something that makes people smile or feel like they are with you. That is what makes people share carousel, the feeling, not just the visuals. Before we export, do all quick check. Your text is easy to read. Make sure all the video are trimmed. No unnecessary parts at the start or end, and make sure everything looks balanced and organized across all 7 slides. Take a moment here, it's worth it. Once everything looks good, click share, then download and choose MP4 format. This gives us a single video file of the whole 7 slide storyboard. We are going to use this in the next step. Now the fun part, open a Canva design, choose Instagram post that is 1080 by 1350 pixel. Now upload the MP4 video we just downloaded. Drag it on the canvas and adjust it so it covers the entire page. Click on the video, then click animate, then custom animation. Now hold shift and drag the animation path from the very start of the carousel all the way to the end, just like I am doing here. This is what creates sliding movement. Once you have set the path, reduce the animation speed to the lowest setting and set the style to smooth. That is, your moving carousel is done. The lower the speed, the smoother it looks. Don't rush the animation. Slow and smooth always looks more professional. Download it as MP4 one more time and upload it directly to Instagram. And that's it, your viral moving carousel ready to post and ready to stop people from scrolling.